Hi guys, good morning to you all. Today is the 30th of January, Friday. So prior to yesterday, I didn't no video was released, no outlook was released yesterday because I was quite busy. But yesterday I took a trade. I took a trade yesterday, which was this trade right here. I took a trade. I took this trade, but still ended up with a bit of profit and kind of break even though, because I was I this trade ran up. I ran up like close to ratio three. So I took partials. I took partials, and the rest was stopped. Were stopped at break even. So so let me get this out the way. I haven't journaled this yet, so I can just delete this. So let's get this out the way. So for today's outlook, guys, and prior to the news that was released day before yesterday, as you guys can see, nothing happened. Those that news was we were supposed to the interest rate cuts FMC meeting. We were supposed to give us was supposed to give us some sort of hint on where price is going next, and where and what we the retail traders were supposed to be we're supposed to expect in price. But nothing happened. Honestly, it was shocking. Opening your laptop the next day and you're just looking at the market still behaving the same way. So I would like to stay cautious for today, guys. I would like to be cautious for today because as you guys can tell from the last outlook I uploaded, we're currently in a weekly fair value that I don't actually like. Overall, I have experience with this because this is just a temporary retracement. I know overall we're still bullish for the day. We're still bullish. Overall we're still bullish. So I like to stay clear, be careful, guys. I would like to be careful so you don't get trapped and become the liquidity for other traders. So on the daily time frame, we have this fair value here, which is this imbalance right here. But overall, I don't expect price to come back down here, guys. I don't think price will come back down here. So with that being said, I'm still bullish for the day, aiming towards this high, which was this. I'm still I'm I'm bullish for the day, guys. And this is my draws on liquidity, this daily high. So on the 4 hour time frame, basically we traded into the low of this 4 hour fair value, and we have an opposing fair value above highs. So I would like to stay cautious with this fair value. I like to stay cautious, guys. I would like to be cautious of this move. So guys, over to DXY. We should get some clarity on where the market is likely going to trade into on DXY. So on DXY, we okay. Basically on DXY, we just a bit of chop on DXY. We're just chopping on DXY. So on the daily time frame, basically this is a gap, and I don't think we're going to trade into. Okay, we're supposed to trade into this, guys. Yeah, basically we're supposed to trade into this. Our next draws on liquidity on the weekly time frame on that lows, which will be this low right here. This is my draws on liquidity, which will be this low. Although we've retraced a bit, not a bit, we've retraced more than 50% of the into this candle. So I don't think that's nice. That's what we're supposed to be looking at. That's what we're supposed to see. So on the 4 hour time frame, how we're looking, this is the area of resistance we're just currently getting, which is from here. This whole area is just retracing a bit. So like I said, guys, I would like to stay clear. I would like to sit on my hands for a couple of hours, like 2 to 3 hours from now. So I don't want to get caught in the in choppy price action, guys. So this is what we're looking like. We're looking like we're going to go bullish, but we have all these lows. These are high resistance and draws on liquidity right here. So I think we're going to take the. I know we're going to take. What I know, I think we're going to take out these lows because the way price has rejected to trade into this candle. But overall, price might just spike up, trade into this, and just fall back down. So that's not that's something we might get also. So this is how it's looking like on the weekly time frame. I think we're going to take out these lows. So for over to UJ. So this is the kind of spike I'm talking about. Price might just back down, touch into that far fair value and retrace back to the downside on DXY in turn making EU bullish for the day, guys. So on UJ, the weekly time frame, this is how basically we're looking. So we're close to all-time highs, not close to all-time highs. We've been bullish for a very long time on UJ. So I would like to just sit on my hands. I don't want to rush anything. So for this pair, I think we're bullish on UJ. Yeah, I think we're bullish on UJ. Price finally wants to fill this whole area of imbalance, inefficient price action. I think price actually wants to do that. So on the 4 hour time frame, okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, guys, we this is quite funny. On 4 hour time frame, we look bullish also because why I said we look bullish on the 4 hour time frame. If you check this, this is a 4 hour fair value. So my PC is a bit laggy. This is a 4 hour fair value, and above highs we have this whole area of imbalance. So I think price will just retrace back into this and go bullish, push to the upside. But if we go bearish for today, I'll be looking at price to take out this lows right here. But it's Friday, so I don't expect much from today. But although we might still get a good trade for the day, guys. We might still get a good trade for the day. So this is my outlook. So if to frame my trade perspective on EU, which should be this. So okay, on 4 time frame, we currently traded into this, which would be I would like to see I would like to wait for this current 4 hour fair value to get closed. So let's check the 1 hour time frame. We already inverted this fair value on that low, so I'll look for some sort of retracement back into the range. So which would be this. Okay, so this is when lack of displacement came in. So I would like to see price trade. Sorry, this is not supposed to. Okay, I'm looking for a way to just get this out. Okay, yeah, exactly. This is it. So I would like to see price do something like this to trade into this range, then come back down, then take all this back, take up all these highs. So I think these are high resistance and draws on liquidity above on EU. So I'd like to see price just take out all these levels on the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame. This is the opposing fair value we have above highs, which is this one. So I'll wait for some sort of retracement from this level. Like I said, okay, should edge this up a bit. Okay, something like this. Yes. I'd like to see some sort of retracement from this 30 minutes fair value back into the range, then looking to take out this highs here. So guys, that would be it for me. So thank you all for sticking around. Have a great day, guys.